Now we are using stencil sheet design over wall. We have smoothened it with paper tape on top and bottom of the sheet. Here we go. Now with the roller we will paint gold color over the stencil sheet. Be careful that roller should not carry too much paint. The roller should carry very mild quantity of the paint. Okay. Now we will remove the stencil sheet, and you can see that beautiful gold floral pattern have been painted over the wall. I will show you from further away. It looks fine. However, the best method is that first apply primer, then wall putty over the stencil sheet, and then paint it properly. And after the paint, you can use gold color over the stencil. It will look much better and slightly raised from the wall surface. We have used single coat on this side. We had used 2 double coats over this side, but a single coat on this side. It looks much better than the double coat. That's it.